Most people think you need a lot of money to start making passive income. But in 2026, that's just not true. Whether you're in London, New York, or anywhere in the world, making your first $1,000 without a 9-to-5 is easier than you think. Today, I'm showing you exactly how. Hi everyone, I'm Rizu, and welcome to Rizu Finance. We talk about money, lifestyle, and how to build wealth. Let's dive straight into the 3 best ways to earn passive income right now. First, let's talk about the safest way. If your money is just sitting in a regular bank account, you're losing money to inflation. In the UK and USA, high-yield savings accounts or index funds like the S&P 500 are paying better than ever. It's literally set it and forget it. You put money in, and it grows while you sleep. The second way is my favorite: digital assets. You only create it once, but you sell it forever. This could be an ebook, a simple budget tracker, or even a specialized template. Platforms like Etsy or Stan Store make it so easy. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to solve a small problem for someone else. Lastly, use AI. We are in 2026. Guys, you can use AI to help you write blogs, create faceless YouTube channels, or manage affiliate marketing links. The tools are free, and the reach is massive. It takes some time to set up, but once it's running, the checks keep coming. Making $1,000 a month isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Start with one of these today. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more finance tips. This is Rizu Finance, and I'll see you in the next one.